Who is that? What is up, you guys? We're finally back for another
install, another Injen product.
What is it, bro?
It's an X Pedal Pro, bro. Throttle controller. As you all know, everything's electric now, so we're changing the controller to modify my throttle response for the sport mode, eco mode, and like launch control and drag race mode. It's lots of benefits in this. It's right here on the side.
Oh, show what that thing is. It's like a little Bluetooth thing.
We're going back to 2000s. Pause if you guys want to see it, the benefits.
That's enough reading. That's the back, and then that's the other side. But yeah,
and it's from our good friends at Injen. And also, I'd like to say they're finally on the bill. They're sponsoring me, so thank you. And that's why I got this. They're sponsored. As you can see, they joined the sponsorship side.
The sponsorship wall of shame.
These are actually recently installed, huh, bro?
Yeah.
We did our own decals. All the sponsors. So
we'll try to link them all down below, bro.
So by the time you guys see the video, I haven't posted anything about my Instagram about Injen, but because I was waiting on for this part, so I can announce that, you know, they are helping the build. And as of this recording, I've completed everything Injen has for my car: throttle, intercooler piping, cooler intake. And we have a surprise for you guys. We'll probably do a next video. Say it's a lot of stages into life, but that's what we're doing today. We're installing this. It should be a straightforward install. So let's unbox it and see what's inside.
All right, let's get right into it.
And so we unboxed everything. We have the control box, the controller. We have the OB2 port for the power. But they actually give you two options. You can either wire it into your car or use the OB2 scanner, but for the purpose of this install, we're gonna use OB2. And later, probably we'll do the other way. And then we actually have the connector to the actual pedal. So pretty much everything connects to this little box. Then you connect to the pedal. As you see, two different cables. And obviously it goes to OB2, and then you mount this wherever you want. And that's about it. It's a straightforward install. Shouldn't take that long, I hope. We don't have any problems, so let's get to it. All right, as you can see, we're right here where the pedal's at. I'm using my phone for light. So, hope you guys can see it. The pedal sensor's right there. Damn it. Right there, you should be able to see it right there. That's where the pedal sensor's at. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that on the pedal and then put the box and, you know, make everything work. Oh fuck, you see shit, bro. Hey, wait. Alright, so as you guys saw the first time I tried to go in there, it was a tight space and it was hot. So pretty much we're gonna give you a rundown. As you can see, it works. Right now it's in sport mode. There's modes. Normal and eco. Pretty much you control how much response you have. It's just going up and down. Obviously sport's all the way up, and this one's at 1, so you save fuel. So probably the next few days I'm gonna be messing with it so we can test it. We can give you a good review because right now it's kind of late and we have other things to do for the most hated video out there, the race that we haven't released yet. So we have that to do today. So I'll give you guys a review later, but pretty much you connect everything to the box to get the sensor. You connect the sensor to the other cable, and you connect to the control box, and then you control OB2 into the OB2 port, and you connect the module into the thing, and it's on. And obviously because the car's on, so this pretty much changes your throttle response. So the higher the number, the more response you want. The less the number, the less response you want. Again, thanks again for Injen for supporting my build, helping us get you guys some good content. So I'm happy. that they finally sponsored me. I'm not crying, but anyways. But yeah, so we have, obviously it's a little messy down here. So we're gonna take the time, we're gonna go to our zone, get some double-sided tape, put everything where we want it to be, and see how it looks from there. Alright, so right now we're in the sport mode, and in this mode is the higher the number, the more response you get. For example, eco mode, the higher the number, the less response you get to the throttle, because it's saving you fuel. For example, let's put it all the way to 0, or the lowest one. Or let's just put it in sport mode and see the difference. So I'm gonna put my foot to the floor and then see how it goes. As you can see, that was pretty quick. It went up pretty quick. So if I change it to eco mode and put it all the way up and I'm foot to the floor, it takes a while to get up there. It's not the same thing. So you can kind of see what it does depending on the mode you want. There's sport, normal, and eco. So depending on you want, you just change it to your liking. Obviously I'm having a sport because people aren't ready for my sport either. But so yeah, it was a straightforward install. We're just gonna place things where we have to place them and make this setup look nice. Oh, bad bottle. Alright, let's go. Pedal feels great. Oh, damn, bro. So, all the spectators, it actually works. Damn, I'm happy. Thank you, Injen. So, all the spectators, it works. Damn, bro, I'm gonna take off. Oh, fuck!
Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Nice little install, bro.
Yeah, worth it. The pedal feels better, lighter, I get more response. Launching it was a big difference. I saw it because I couldn't launch it as I usually do, because the pedal's more responsive. But it actually does work. I've tried it in normal mode, it went back to normal. Eco mode, as you guys saw, we didn't try that one because it wants to be slow. But yeah, it works. I like it. Thank you, Injen, for sponsoring our build, because it's a project. We're in this together. So I want to thank Dan for, after a couple years, they actually picked up my sponsorship and went through it. So thank you, Steven, for hooking it up. But yeah, it's worth it. I like it. Now we're just gonna mount everything, make sure it looks good, so we can hand out some mails later. So at the track, that is, because we know illegal street races.
Yeah, at the track, guys. Be safe out there.
We're not about that life. So I recommend it. You guys want to improve your throttle? I recommend getting this product. We went quick to get some double-sided tape, like we said, and I like it. I did it in front of the cops too, so I live my life on the edge, as usual. But yeah, it's about
Alright guys, don't forget, we're almost to 1K. We're almost to 1K, but everybody who's watching this video is not subscribed, go ahead and hit the little red button down there. We would greatly appreciate that. We're almost to 1K. And I know some of you guys are pretty mad out there, but
the race trailer. Ooh.
Soon, pretty soon. I think probably like today's Wednesday. Or I mean today's Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Today's Tuesday. So probably by like Friday, we should probably get there. So keep on the lookout for that. Hit the notification squad. But yeah, watch out for that. And couple more installs along the week, but yeah,
we're slowly getting there, but it's worth it.
Gotta get back in the game.
I think it's worth it. I've waited so long to get my parts for my side because the new gen, but it's worth it. I like receiving everything and then just putting it on and then trying it out.
Alright guys, don't forget, peace out and always keep improving.